Welcome to the 10th video on our weekly legal update series. In this video, we would be discussing important legal events from 4th January to 9th January 2021. In first important news, the Supreme Court has upheld the validity of Centre's plan for the Central Vista project by a 2:1 majority. In the case of Rajiv Suri versus Delhi Development Authority, the majority opinion was authored by Justice Khanwilkar and Justice Maheshwari, in which they have upheld the central government's plan of the Central Vista project and the construction of a new parliament. The dissent of Justice Khanna has been noted in a separate judgment, in which he has agreed with the issue of the award of the project, but noted that the matter needs to be remitted back for a public hearing as there was no prior approval of the Heritage Conservation Committee. He has also noted that there was no disclosure about public participation in the present case. In second important news, the Supreme Court has said that the power of the High Court under Article 226 and 227 to interfere with the arbitration process needs to be exercised in exceptional rarity. In the case of Bhavan Construction versus Executive Engineer Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited, the court has noted that the power of High Court to interfere with the arbitration process under Article 226 or 227 needs to be exercised only in exceptional rarity, where either one party is left remediless under a statute or a clear bad faith is shown. The court has noted that undoubtedly the ambit of Article 227 is quite broad. However, the High Court should not use the inherent powers to interject with the arbitral process at every stage. The court has noted that any unnecessary interference would diminish the efficiency of the arbitration process. In third important news, the Supreme Court has noted that no concluded contract arises when there is an acceptance of a conditional offer with a further condition. In the case of Mrs. Padia Timber Company Limited versus Board of Trustees of Visakhapatnam Port Trust, the court has noted that acceptance of a conditional offer with a further condition does not result in a concluded contract. The offer as well as the acceptance to that offer must be absolute. While holding this, the court has brought attention to Section 7 of the Indian Contract Act, which requires the acceptance to be absolute and unqualified. In fourth important news, the Supreme Court has said that the governing body of a college is the proper authority to appoint the administrative staff in that college. In the case of Chairperson, Governing Body Daulat Ram College versus Dr. Asha, the court has noted that the governing body has the general supervision of the college and the governing body has the power to appoint the administrative staff of the college. In fifth important news, the NCDRC has held that if the account holder's fault not proved, then bank would be liable for fraudulent online transaction. In the case of HDFC Bank versus Chestnut Joes, the Commission has noted that in case of fraudulent transactions, concerned bank shall be responsible for the loss and not the customer if it is not proven by the bank that fraudulent transaction had taken place due to the fault of the account holder. While holding so, reliance has been placed on a 2017 RBI circular under which the customer has zero liability where the deficiency lies in the banking system. This brings us to the end of our video. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel.